Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Chrysler Crossfire Limited. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.